Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the support and resistance levels with break indicators for MT4 and MT5. This tool automatically maps out key support and resistance zones and highlights when price breaks through them, giving you a structured view of market behavior and momentum shifts. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the indicator plots support and resistance zones on your chart as horizontal levels or bands based on historical significant highs and lows where price has reversed multiple times. As you can see here, the resistance zone, the support zone over here. These zones appear as areas rather than single lines, reflecting real world market behavior where reactions occur within ranges. When price approaches a level, you see whether it bounces, respecting support or resistance, or breaks through, which the indicator highlights as a breakout above resistance or breakdown below support. These plotted levels and break markers visually imply where sentiment may be shifting, where trends might begin or extend, and where potential reversal or continuation points lie. Now let's look at its settings. We have the extend lines, show breaks. We have the left bars and right bars, volume threshold, and we also have the color for resistance and support. And also adjust the color, the visual settings, and the thickness. Now let's move on to who is for. This indicator is ideal for traders who rely on support and resistance as core components of their strategy and want an automated, objective way to identify and track these levels. It's a technical price-based tool that cannot guarantee future performance. It's worth noting that it can produce false signals in choppy or low volume markets and may plot many levels if sensitivity is set too high. It's important to combine it with volume, candlestick patterns, trend filters, risk management, backtesting, and awareness of news events to avoid over reliance. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also get both the MT4 and MT5 versions, and you can read the full support and resistance levels with break indicator article, which covers the strategies, benefits, challenges, and advanced applications at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.